Hello everyone, this is Dr. Juhi Agrawal. I think I should not introduce myself as Dr. Juhi Agrawal. I am parent of a student from TPS, that is Vidhi Agrawal from class 6C. I am really thankful to all the teachers around in TPS, especially teachers from class 6. With this strain of socio-economic situation, everyone around is affected and facing their part of stress, isn't it? Imagining the normal soon seems very distant. Even in these desperate times, the involvement for development of child-teacher relationship and evolvement in the new methodology is an unprecedented example which displays the dedication and attributes of a teacher. I would like to mention the extraordinary measures taken by sports department and art department. They designed the activities keeping in mind the capability and psychology of a child so that the parents can utilize the inoperative energy in their child. We are happy to associate ourselves with a kind of institution who thinks in the overall development of a human beyond the paper pencil education. I am really thankful to you all the teachers. You have took so much pain and have put lot of efforts in designing these distant classes. We should be thankful as a parent that in these difficult times, you have made it so easy that we did not realize that our kids are learning on this virtual platform. Thank you so much. Thank you all.